Got some outdoor solar lamps. I'm going to put one on each side of the garage door, one in the center. Amazon. Comes with hardware. This is not an unboxing video. We'll go over the features. I'll go over the mode features, but I need to block out this photocell with a dark towel. This button is for on and off. This side here is for the modes. We'll start with blue. Blue is dusk to dawn or till the battery runs out. Now, like in the winter months, that would run out quite quickly, but in the summer it might make it to dawn, and it stays dim so it will last the longest. Red stays dim until it senses motion. Green stays off until it senses motion, then resets to 0. This would be a good feature to use in the winter months when you don't have a lot of charging time during the day. So we'll head down to the garage, show you how it looks.
That one's already bright.
Looks really good. It's a cool pattern it gives off. I'd like to thank everyone for watching. Hope this has helped someone. If you'd like to see how to mount these in between the garage door on a masonry surface, I'll provide a link.